Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming your account. This matters because history is account-specific. Once signed in, tap or click your profile avatar at the top right corner. Make sure you're on the right Google account. If not, switch accounts now. You don't need extra settings yet, just verify identity and access. This first step establishes where YouTube will pull history from, so take a moment to confirm the account shown. When that's done, move to the library to view history details. Now navigate to Library and select History. On desktop, it's in the left menu. On mobile, it's the Library tab at the bottom. Once there, you can scroll chronologically or use the built-in search box to locate a video by title or channel. If you need narrower results, open filters or scan by date. This helps when you remember a time frame. Also, check that web and app activity is enabled in your Google account so history syncs across devices. Otherwise, you may only see local activity. Finally, manage entries. Tap the three-dot menu beside any video to remove it, or choose Clear All Watch History to wipe everything. If you want to stop recording future views, select Pause Watch History. Remember, this will change your recommendations and personalization. Once done, sign out and back in if changes don't appear. Sometimes a sync delay occurs. If history still seems missing, verify you're in the right account. Check device sync and web and app activity settings, and then retry viewing the history page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.